not confident on this zone, but we can watch it. If you get some nice confirmation somewhere. Like, of course, we could also short this, but we just opened too bullish. I'm not sure if this is a sweep on the opening. I expected more like a sweep to the downside and then a move to the upside to as we watch the higher time frame. To sweep something to the downside, maybe some of these lows, and then go up, but it didn't do that. It just broke up. So let's see. Yeah, it's too aggressive. Maybe. I was about to enter, but I'm a little bit too hesitant. Maybe we can watch a re-entry. Pullback. Switch confirmation. Break up and I'm in. Maybe sweep first. Stops below this low. No. It didn't work out. It's going lower. Yeah, let's have a little bit of patience here. I still expect more upside towards that buy side liquidity. But we're surely going lower now. I don't think this is gonna hold. There's more inefficiency on the 5 minute. That's why I said I'm not too confident on this zone, but yeah, if we confirm. But the entry was a little bit late. I should have already gotten in right here at this beginning, and then I would be already risk-free. It's even maybe better to watch for shorts now. This could also act as an inverted fair value gap. But we also have a 1 minute right here, so. And we are in this extreme one. So it's a little bit tough right now. This one looks really appealing though. 5 minutes for value gap. Let's get rid of these. And watch this. Not a fan of how it reacted here. Basically kind of V shape. But yeah, we can easily push a lot. This 5 minute looks really good, but I'm not a fan of entering right here in the middle of this range. Because there's also a bearish fair value gap right there. So ideally you want to break this bearish fair value gap and then see some kind of retracement and then look for an entry. Although if you break this to the upside cleanly, I'm jumping in. If we see some nice volume now going up. Stops there. Let's push. And if we disrespect this idea, for example, if we hit stop loss, then my bias is just off. And I gotta rethink. But I'm feeling pretty confident on this this trade. I might go risk-free anytime soon too. There is a 1 minute fair value gap, but I'm very bullish. If you break this high, I'm basically going risk-free. I hope this is a rebalance. Now push up. Very bearish candle. I don't like this fair value gap and that my stop loss is there. But I'm not gonna enlarge my stop loss to this low because that would be double the risk. So I really want to see a push up now. I might be putting my stop loss below this low. Come on. Yeah, it's a tough situation. Putting it there. half risk. There we go. Looks good for now, yeah. I might go risk free too. Like, there are some double bottoms right there. There's some liquidity. We have that 1 minute fair value gap, so yeah, why risk it? But it's only what, like $150, so if you want, you can go risk free. I'm keeping it on these lows for now. Like, there's a lot of inefficiency here too, so. One minute, maybe get a rebalance to this point. Like, rebalance and push up again. Fair value gap. I'm going risk free, guys. We tapped that fair value gap and now we seem to push again. So if we break this high, I might put my trailing stop loss right at this low. Which, yeah. Which puts me up a barely profitable day though, but better than nothing, because it's Monday, first day of the week. Volume is not the greatest, but it's not really bad either, so let's wait until we break up. Nice volume. That's a winner. Now just let's wait for this buy side liquidity on a high time frame to be tapped. And I still might just put my TP somewhere around there and just be trailing once we hit that buy side liquidity. But let's see if we even reach that and not get back to this. Because yeah, fair value gap. We rebalanced though, but I might be trailing the 1 minute lows. If you break down, like that's a sign we can go lower, and I don't want to give up these profits. So that's why I'm trailing. Like if you give a market structure shift, it could be a liquidity sweep, but it can also be a market structure shift. And I don't want to, like if we get a lot of bearish volume and it goes straight back to my break-even level, like I gave away a lot of profits. That's why I like trailing. Especially on the 1 minute, it's pretty safe, because you can see this low, this low, this low. Yeah, this low is getting taken out, but these lows are constantly higher, higher, higher. So if you break up now and we close bullish, I'm going up again. Bullish volume now. Couple of seconds. Break up. That's trailing stop loss up. Below this low. Now it's going really hard. Might be a little bit more aggressive once we reach or get close to this high. Trailing stop loss up. That's a nice winning day, guys, already. This is profit. Anyway, this is profit. It's going hard now. I might be, yep. I'm going to be aggressive here, guys. 1K secured. That's it. Yep. 1K in the bag. Let's see if we can push higher. Let's go. $1K profit for me, guys. And that's me being done for the day already. 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 winner. Small loss, big winner. Show chart executions. Did you guys take it with me? 844.50 was my entry. Right there. I have my stops below this low. And I took profit at 876.75. So that's a 3.69 R. It's my favorite number too, 69. Let's go, guys. See, that's why I'm not too keen on holding for those levels, because we can retrace any time before and then just give in a lot of profits. So yeah, that's basically an inverted fair value gap entry. like I said, a lot of times we sweep on the open and then make the move higher. But because we are this bullish, I expected a sweep to the downside. Take some liquidity and then maybe make a move up towards buy side liquidity. But it didn't do that. It just straight pumped at 930. And yeah, that's why I was looking for. Look how we basically sniped the top. Imagine giving back these profits. Like then my emotions would kick in. So that's why I love trailing. Yes, Tim. Let's go. I recorded the session, by the way, so I will still have a way to find to upload it. I think I'm gonna do it on YouTube maybe, and then upload it into the chat right here. Let's go, guys. And also a reason why I am trailing that aggressively, especially when we got that big volume right here. First of all, we broke this high. So yeah, once we break a high, we can expect a retracement anytime. It doesn't have to, but yeah, that's why I'm trailing. I'm basically at my daily profit target, which is from 1K to 1.5K. So I hit that, and I don't really like turning it to giving it back to the market. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Yeah, we can easily push up now towards this, but I don't care. I got my profits, I'm happy. Yeah, I will share a link. 1 second. TopStep has a playlist on their YouTube channel. Give me a moment. Where they explain basically everything within under 5 minutes. There's the playlist. They basically cover every topic. So just search which topic you need and then watch it. Seems like it's pushing up, but yeah. I don't see any clear fair value gap right there. There's a 3-minute one. But see, it didn't tap it and it broke to the upside again. 5-minute, nope. Maybe a 30-second, nah. So yeah, for me this is just a retracement, I think. I think we even might go lower now. It makes no sense to push up again before hitting that fair value gap. Let me make an Instagram story. Get ready to push those W's in the chat, guys. Let's go, guys. 1K profit live on stream with the guys. W's in the chat. Let's go. You're too late, Tim. Too late, man. I'm feeling ashamed now. Only one W in the chat. Nice one. Yeah, Telegram was really fucked up, man. I was not able to share good signals there. I had to type, to enter, do the management, everything at the same time. It's just not, it was not possible. And you see why now. I gotta be so quick. Sometimes my bias shifts from right to left. So yeah, it's tough. Telegram is not for me. This is the way to do it. I can explain nice things right here. It's so much better than Telegram. 1K profit live on stream with the guys. W's in the chat. Let's go. Let's go, guys. 1K profit live on stream with the guys. W's in the chat. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So yeah, we just tapped that final take profit level, or at least that buy side liquidity. I would be trailing from there. So once we hit that high, I would be trailing maybe this low first, then go up to this low. And then we also would be tapped out, almost, I think. Let's see. Yeah. So that would be like a 100, yeah, maybe $50 bucks difference. And I don't even think you would get filled right here if you put your TP right there. But yeah, that's why I say don't be too strict on yourself with taking profit. Like, just be thankful you got those profits. You know, it's a almost 3 to 4 hour. Like, this is a huge trade. And it's depending on people's personal psychology. Because some people do like to hold, some people like to use the set of forget strategy, like they just put in the order and let it go. It's up to you. But I don't have the patience to do it like that. I want to get in, I want to get out, I want to take my profits and be done for the day. But yeah, we can easily push a lot higher, of course. We just tapped this high. If you watch the higher time frame, and if you watch this price action, like, we're moving up. So we can easily go a lot higher. I just don't care. Because we can also, like, the 1 hour just closed like 6 minutes ago. So we can also just sweep this high and then retrace all the way back to rebalance this inefficiency towards there. So why would I risk it, man? I'm happy with this profit. Just take it, man. All right, Tim, have a good one, bro. Just let me know, man, on WhatsApp. What's up, Levi? Nah, he's a private student, bro. He got my WhatsApp. WhatsApp, my DMs. I'm available everywhere, bro. Whatever method you prefer. S for the one-on-one students. But you, surely, I'm not giving my WhatsApp. You will be calling me all day, man. No thanks. Oh my god. Yeah, that probably was the alcohol. Oh, that's funny. And that's a long time ago. What a joker. Yeah, we broke this. Yeah, I have your number, Levi. It's in my list as Levi Cunt. Look. That's your number. It's pushing lower. Yeah, it's not clean. I'm locking myself out, by the way. $9:30 tomorrow. Wait. Oh. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna close the stream. I will be back tomorrow, of course, with a new stream. And yeah, let's see how I can upload this video to somewhere. I think I'm gonna do it on YouTube, but I'll let you know. Have a good one, guys. Ciao, ciao.